Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Pontiac GTO hardtop with the high output 400 with 360 horsepower and all numbers matching. And this one is a three owner car, but it looks like it's a one owner. It was kept in beautiful shape, and it's a San Diego car. It was bought new in LA, but the first owner was in Oceanside, California, and which is a suburb of San Diego. Then it went to Fallbrook, California, which is another suburb in North County, and went back to Oceanside. And the owner now has owned it since 1992. So, and like I said, he's in Oceanside, California, and ironically, it's spent its whole life within about a 20-mile radius in San Diego. So that's probably part of the reason why the car is so nice. That being black with black interior. And he had a little poster board here, so I'll read a few things off it for you. The car was built at the Fremont plant in California on the third week of July and is one of 3,140 hardtop 400 HO high output with the automatic with the his and her shifter on the floor that were built in 1968 and was bought new at Gianera Pontiac on Foothill Boulevard in La Crescenta, California, which is a suburb of LA, Los Angeles. And this one has the 400 cubic inch high output motor with 360 horsepower, his and hers dual gauge shifter with turbo hydromatic transmission, black exterior AA paint code, black interior with buckets and a bucket seat headrest, tilt steering with custom sports steering wheel, power windows, remote control driver's mirror, power rear antenna, and it also has the very rare 2-year option. It was only available in 1967 and 68. Had the 4-piston caliper front disc brakes. Also has power steering and brakes, safety track rear axle, which is positive traction, ride and handling package, the hideaway headlights. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.